Good morning, children. I welcome you all to this session of maths, and we are on to the chapter area and volume, right? Now, in class 4th, we had read about perimeter and area. We know perimeter is sum of all the sides of the figure. Now, we shall read more about area and volume, but before we go ahead, let's do a recall of that. See, in the A section, you have to find the perimeter of a triangle with sides 6, 8, and 9. So, we all know that perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides. So, here the sides are 6 plus 8 plus 9, so we'll add to get 23 centimeter as the perimeter. Just add all the sides. Now in area, the two basics formula are for area of rectangle, its length into breadth, and area of square is side into side or side square. The unit of area, if the lengths of the side are in centimeter, then the area will be in centimeter square, and if the sides are in meter, then it will be meter square. Now note that while calculating the area of rectangle, both length and breadth must be in same unit. Suppose length is in meter and breadth is in centimeter, then we will be converting the higher unit meter into centimeter by multiplying the number with 100. Right? Okay. Now let us move ahead and see in this first figure, find the area of the postcard in the shape of rectangle. Right? And here length is 12 and breadth is 11. So what we will be doing? Firstly, we should understand that the formula of area of a rectangle is what it is L into B. So here the length is given as 12 and B is 11, so 12 into 11, and then we will get the answer to be 1, 3 and 2, right, centimeter square. Okay, now if it's a square whose length is 15 meters, you see 15 into 15, 225 meters square, and if the cost of grazing is 30 per meter, then here see the multiplication has been done by 30 into 225 to get 6750. Now this is a very common kind of question that where you need to a rectangular path is 40 meter by 30 meter, a path 5 meter wide is built around it outside, find the cost of constructing the path. Now for that, firstly we will find out the area of path because the cost is given rupees 400 per meter square. Now how you will get? We will be firstly be finding out the area of this rectangle A, B, C, D, right? And then we will be finding out the area of this rectangle P, Q, R, S, the inner one, yellow one, and then we will be subtracting the two areas. Now how you will get that? You know that the length is 30 meter and the breadth is 40 meter and the path is 5 meters, so path is on both sides, so 5 meter here and 5 meter here, right? This is so we will be adding this to the park's size 5 meter, so we will be getting AP is equal to 40 AB is equal to 40 centimeter or CD, and then same is to be done with the breadth 40 plus 5 plus 5 to get 50 centimeter. So 40 into 50 will be how much? It is 2000, and 30 into 40 is 1200, right? So what we will be doing next is we will be subtracting the two. See here the subtraction has been done to get the area of the path, and then this is multiplied by 400 to get 3,20,000 to be the cost of construction, right? This technique needs to be adopted in this exercise here, right? A park is 50-meter long and 30-meter broad, so area, the park is, that means it's a rectangle, so area will be equal to L into B. So we will just multiply the two, 50 into 30 to get 1500, right, meter square. And then see it's 70 per square meter, right? The cost is 70 per square meter, so total cost will be 70 into 1500, right? 1 2 3 0 sorry, it won't be 0 here, it will be a 5 here, right? And then 10. So the answer will be 1,05,000. Okay, now you will be using these kinds of logics in this exercise. Now we move towards volume. Now volume is the quantity of space inside an object. It's called volume, right? And the formula is here: length into breadth into height. If it's a cube, that is a three-dimensional square. So here the volume will be side into side into side. That is side cube. Okay. Now, if the length of the sides in centimeter, the volume is taken in centimeter cube. And if it's in meter, meter cube, same thing, same unit. Everything must be in same. If not, higher unit needs to be converted into the lower unit. Okay, now see this example. The volume of a box of shape of cuboid whose length is 10, breadth 8 and height 6. See here. Simply, we have multiplied all the three numbers to get 480. If it's a box 12 centimeter, then of a cube, see here, 12 into 12 into 12 to get 1728. Right? So this is how you will be doing this exercise. See, let us take one or two questions here. Let me take the D1. A matchbox measures 6 centimeter, 4 and 2 centimeter. What will be the volume of a packet containing 12 such matchboxes? So first we will be निकालेंगे volume. Right, firstly we will be calculating volume of a matchbox, and this will be how much? 6 into 4 into 2 is equal to 48 centimeter cube. If therefore now the volume of 12 box कितना हो जाएगा? What will be it? That will be 12 into 48, right? 12 into 48. So that will be 480 plus 96, that is 576 centimeter cube, right? 576 centimeter cube. And this is how you will be doing this exercise, right? It's a very interesting one and you will really enjoy doing it. So I stop. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it, and until we meet again, it's a goodbye.